5 penny stocks to buy right now. Did you know 70% of people lose money investing in penny stocks without exact instructions? With little money in my brokerage account, I latched onto his rolling stock concept and applied it to penny stocks. It turned into an investing horror story that I was reminded of every time I looked at my brokerage statement. In this video, we will talk about penny stocks. In the world of investing, penny stocks are a great way to make a quick profit. Penny stocks are usually underpriced and have the potential to significantly grow in value in a short period. However, many people don't know what penny stocks are or how they work. This is a primer on how to invest in penny stocks and which ones to buy right now. What is a penny stock? A penny stock is a company that is not yet public, but that has a lot of potentials. Many of the stocks have the potential to become extremely successful companies. For example, companies that make video games are typically undervalued and have the potential for huge gains if they continue to grow in popularity. Furthermore, many of the stocks are thinly traded and can be volatile. They often have high volumes of shares traded in just 1 or 2 days, which can cause their prices to move quickly and unexpectedly. Some people also think of penny stocks as being dirty or dangerous, which may have something to do with the higher fees and requirements for listing on major exchanges. How do I make money investing in penny stocks? One of the best ways to profit from penny stocks is to find small cap stocks that are listed on US stock exchanges and are under $1. In this case, the price is less than $1. These stocks are very risky and can run into major trouble very quickly. However, they also have the potential to skyrocket in value very quickly. This is exactly the kind of stock investment that will make your portfolio go through the roof. This list contains names that we think are great buys right now. These stocks have a chance to become huge stars within a year or two, and we think it's well worth the risk. Penny stock investing is a lot of fun. How to invest in penny stocks? When you're looking at penny stocks, it's important to keep in mind that they can be dangerous investments. However, they also can provide incredible returns if you know what you're doing. Generally speaking, investors shouldn't be looking to jump into penny stocks. To invest in penny stocks, you need to be a wealthy individual or wealthy entity, which means that you're probably looking at losing all of your money. With that being said, you still should be able to find some penny stocks that make sense for your portfolio. The simplest way to do this is by using tools like an online stock screener or by taking an online quiz. Online stock screener tools typically show you some of different stocks that you could invest in. 5 penny stocks you should buy now. Due to a decline in the share price, the shares of Diamond Resorts International, NASDAQ, DRII, are falling at the moment. That decline should be used as a buying opportunity. This stock has a unique niche that will continue to grow over the long term. As a result, DRII stock looks promising. Moreover, the company is still far from profitability. However, the new CEO aims to right the ship. This is something that no other past CEO tried to do. DRII stock was nearly stagnant before the CEO changeover, which illustrates that this company has the potential for long-term growth. The company just reported earnings, but the reaction to the earnings was relatively tame. That has to do with the rapid increase in revenue.